besties, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are discussing on how you can move to Europe. Yes, there is opportunity have risen from the European Commission, besties, and they are taking people that will come and be trained. It's called traineeship. But the good news is that after this traineeship, you now apply for the job. Coco, on their website you will see where to apply for traineeship, and after the training you also see the available careers where you will apply for the main job. The latest news is that this traineeship, you will be paid. It's a duration of 6 months or 5 months traineeship, depending on the one you are going for. After the training, you can now apply for job, and you will be paid at least 1,500 euros per month. Guys, this is not a small money, and they are training you on the job. In this video, I will be showing you what is your job requirements, what those people need you to do for them. Still in this video, I will show you the step-by-step application process. Besties, it might interest you to know that this application is ending on the 15th of March 2024. That's why I'm bringing this opportunity on your doorstep. Today is 5th of March. You have 10 good days to finish this application and submit it for you to be considered. This is of interest to me because I know a lot of you will be getting this if you carefully do this application. By the way, welcome back to the channel. It is my positivity. Forget my real face. Anyways, it's a video I want to rush and make so that people that are interested can apply before the deadline. Well, if you are joining me for the first time, do well to join the family. Hit that subscribe button down below and be part of the family. Smash the like button so that a lot of people that will find interest in this opportunity can apply for it. Don't forget to share this video to bless someone. To all my returning subscribers, God bless you all for your massive support. Let's go into this. For you to be able to apply successfully for this opportunity, you need 2 documents. One, you must be a graduate. Yes, you must be a graduate for you to be able to apply for this opportunity. So you will be submitting your certificate and your transcript in the course of the application. The second is that you must have a good command of English language, and they are taking at least a C1 or a C2. That is, if you have written IELTS, whether it's IELTS General, IELTS UKVI, whatever IELTS you have, you can upload your IELTS result to show that you have a good command of English language. So what that means is you will be needing these 2 documents to upload during this application. If you also have a work experience, you can as well show them what your work experience is depending on what you are applying for, so that it's also a point for you if your work experience is in the direction of what they are taking you for. So besties, I don't want to waste your time in this video. I don't want this video to be long as well. We'll be going to my screen so that I will show you how to navigate this site, the step-by-step application procedure, and how you can go about it and stand a chance to be selected. I wish you guys good luck. It might also interest you to know that this opportunity will be holding in Luxembourg. So this is opportunity for those of you that have wanted to go to Luxembourg. This is opportunity for you to get started. Let's go to my screen, besties. Guys, as you can see, we are the official website. It says European Commission, right? So let us see the eligibility from my screen. Subject to eligibility criteria, the traineeship is open to all EU citizens regardless of age. A limited number of places are also allocated to non-EU nationals. So you mustn't be a EU citizen for you to what? Partake. The traineeship program is open to university graduates. All right, you must be a graduate who have completed a standard 3-year higher education program, minimum of EQF level 6, corresponding to a bachelor's degree cycle or equivalent. Only if you have a certificate or official confirmation from your university that you have such degree will you be eligible to apply. So while you are applying, hold your degree certificate and your transcript on your hand. You will have to provide the following documents: diplomas or certificates with final grades clearly indicated, and proof of minimum EQF level 6. So you find out more what that means from this link. All right, we'll come back to that. Now, have no prior work experience of any kind in excess of 6 weeks in any EU institution. So you must, these people will employ you. Yes, they have job vacancies. So at the end of this traineeship, you can go ahead and apply to the main job. So for you to be eligible, you must not be working for them before. have a very good knowledge of language. For the administrative traineeship, we have two types of traineeship: the administrative traineeship and the translation traineeship. For non-EU nationals, only one procedural language is required at C1 or C2 level. So those of you that are not EU citizens, those of you that are watching this video, please, you need to provide IELTS. So your IELTS UKVI you have is enough, is accepted in the EU. Get additional points for work experience. If you already have a work experience in the one you'll be applying for, you will have additional points. International profile demonstrated through education, work, or volunteering experience abroad, and aptitude to work in an international environment. So if you have shown that you can work in an international environment, you have another point. Rare fields of study. All right, guys, as you can see on my screen, I've shown you who can apply, and this is a 5-month paid traineeship, and this is it. The October section is running, and it started from the 19th of February and is going to close on the 15th of March 2024. So apply or check your account. So for you to proceed with this application, I have shown you the documents you need for you to make this application. All right, can we check the application procedure? I think that is what many people will want to see. All right. Then for us to start this application, you just have to click here that says apply, and this opportunity is starting in October. This is the application procedure. You create an EU login or connect with an existing account. So you have to create an account, fill in the sign up form, click on submit. Check your email account, including your spam folder, for confirmation. In the email, follow the link to create your password, choose your password and submit it. Click proceed to the application form. Use either the email or your EU login username to log in afterwards. Candidates for EC traineeship cannot log in using electronic IDs. So that's just all. We just have to create account. Complete and submit the application form together with supporting documents. Go to your candidate's account, click on send an application, and choose the traineeship type to access the application form. All right, there's a step-by-step video guide. Sign in and carefully follow the instructions to complete each section of the application form. You can navigate between sections using the left-hand menu. So upload your supporting documents. That's the next one. You upload your supporting document. You allow up to 3 working days for a response if you require any technical assistance. Once your application is submitted, you will need to wait for the results of its evaluation. All right, so they will inform you of the results via email. In case of acceptance, you'll be invited to apply to available traineeship positions. Okay, click on apply. Create an account. Sorry, when you come here, you create an account. So you put in your first name, you confirm email, your language is English, you click on what? Create account. Create account. As you go to your email, you can see when you go to your email, you click on the link from your email and you will see this to continue your application. So right now I'm going to put my password. Always remember to save your password. Click proceed to continue to this. So you say proceed. I just have to create account with you guys so that you see how to go about all this. All right, so this is not difficult, and I don't want to bore you with this application because it's something you can do on your own. So you are now logged in to EU. Look at the form, guys. Look at the form. The candidate name is Adeze Onyeka, and this is the form. So at this point, just click on the send my application and you will get to the form to start filling your form. Let's go. So guys, at this page, you choose the one you are going for, which is the October one. The first one, we have admin, and we have the second one. Choose the one that you like, the way I just chose admin. And then the form will automatically open for you. And here is the form. Then you will have this application form open for you, right? So when this application form is opened for you, you will see your email, language of communication. I chose English, not French. You change it to French. Telephone number, guys. You fill your telephone number, phone number. The majority of my supporting documents are in. I will choose English. Nationality, you choose your nationality, which is Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria, right? A Nigerian. EU or not EU nationality, you say not EU. Gender, you choose your gender. So I'm taking time to show you how to do this application. Feminine. Date of birth, you fill that. Native country, you choose Nigeria. Date of birth, you put your date of birth. You come down. Declaration of eligibility. Have you ever completed a full university degree? Yes. English, French language, this. So just read all this. Eligibility criteria, type of diploma, name of university, country, official duration of the study program, field of study, and everything, guys. Just fill the form. Formal education, guys. After you fill this form, international experience, languages, guys, is a long form. Attach documents. You see where you're going to attach all your documents, you know, your degree certificate, your IELTS results. I confirm I've downloaded my identity, and I just follow the on-screen instruction. When you are done, you click here, send application, and that is all done. All right, then you now come back to monitor your application. That's it for guys. From what you have seen on my screen, you can see that the application process is straightforward, it is straight to the point, and it is easier to apply. It cannot take you up to 1 hour to finish this application. So go ahead, click on the link. The link will be in the description box. Click on the link and get started. Apply, and I wish you guys the very best of luck. Good luck, besties. This is the end of this video. I thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in our next one. And if you haven't subscribed, do well to smash that subscribe button down below. See you guys in our next one. For now, bye, besties. Bye.